Hello everyone, it's Aidan here from Goodada Inspections, and I'd like to talk to you today about production monitoring inspections. Production monitoring inspections are quite often used by clients who have very complicated or important orders with a factory. Send in an inspector to be at the factory during the entire production process. And the reason why you want that is you want to have daily communications from the inspector to you to update you on any delays or issues which has occurred during the production run of that day. Quite often, clients would like to have the reassurance that an inspector is there to help resolve any issues which has been identified, and that the inspector is working with the factory to ensure the products are made to the highest quality. Clients often require an inspector to do daily reports to them on the progress of the order and also on any internal tests that they require. This helps them to maintain a quality control file for that product. So what clients get from a during production inspection is one, an inspector at the factory for the entire production process, two, continuous communication on a daily basis with that inspector, three, daily reports going to the client about the progress of the order, four, somebody on the ground to help address any issues that may have been identified during that day. Goodada offers quality control inspections across 76 countries. So if you require any inspections in any country, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much for taking the time, and I hope to hear from you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.